What is up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. And like always, we're gonna get right into it. Thanks for joining me today. The topic that we're on today, I had a request. Someone just wanted to, and I took several screenshots. What we're gonna do today is I'm just gonna show you guys just a couple screenshots from the technology that I use, and one of the things that I always say is how having technology attached to your vending machine, really elevates it, really kind of takes your vending machine business to the next level. So the first screenshot that I'm showing you guys, and the vending machine software that I use is AirVend. Now I know that there are several that are out there. So the one that, like I said, that I use is AirVend. So this first one is just kind of just a screenshot from the first screen. So and we'll just kind of go through these screens real quick, just kind of show you, how technology makes having vending machines way easier for you. So right here on this first screen, over on the left side, the columns you can see, you have the options of my company. And that's basically where you can just put in information about your company, like your email and different things of that nature. Below that is users, and basically that's just you just assign who can access the website and who can see all of the sales and the different numbers and things of that nature. Now the one below that is my machines. By clicking on that, that's how you get into the different machines that you have, so you can see all of the numbers on them, see the inventory, sales, things of that nature. Reports, that's pretty much where you can see the same thing, like see all of your sales, see inventory and all of that. But then from there, you can also print all of that stuff out if you want to have like a hard copy of it. Below that is self-explanatory help, and below that is just self-explanatory password change. So the screen that I have clicked on for this one is the My Machines. So once you come into My Machines, you'll see down here I have three of my vending locations listed here where you can see them. Now obviously I have blanked out the name of where my location is, so just so I don't have to worry about anybody stepping on my toes trying to go get my location. But as you can see, so if you can kind of see, I don't know if it's too small for you guys to see, but here you can just kind of organize everything, so you can have the name of the company as well as you can see when it was last refilled. Now I refilled these actually on the 9th, I believe. So I didn't save all of them. I just updated one of them, and then that was just for all of them. But so you can see your refill date, you can see the amount of product that you have sold, and you can see your sales. So I mean, as you can see, like the top company here, 121 sold items, sales is 129 bucks. I believe I did this is maybe for like a week and a half, worth of time. So 129 bucks and 35 cents for that machines in sales. The machine below it at the other location, 109 sales for $113.05. And then the last machine that I have is at 68 sales for $63. Now this is a great way to judge your machines and kind of know, if you need to move your locations, or if your locations are doing great. So for example, I have my top performing machine right now it has had 121 sales in a week and a half, and my lowest performing machine has had 68 sales. So you're looking at 121 versus 68. You're looking at $129.35 versus $63.05. So what does that tell you right there? That we need to go ahead and move this location. And I just haven't had time to move it. I mean, I'm not losing money on it, so that's why I haven't been in a super duper urgent rush. But I do need to go ahead and get the machine moved because it's not performing as well as my other two, as you can see. All right. So then the next screen that I'll show you guys is basically just where you can see even further your sales. Now this is how you keep up with your inventory, so that you're not having to go to Sam's Club or Costco or wherever the case, BJ's, wherever you go to get your product. So you don't have to go to the store and just buy a ton of product and then haul all of that product to a location, get there, see what you need, and then go and bring in the product that you need based on how much has been sold out of the machine. With these, right, with this screenshot that I'm showing you right here, I'm showing you my credit card transactions for the 2 days. So it's showing it for June 27th and a couple for June 28th. But just right on here, and now, so this is how you keep everything organized, because you can see every single sale that is taking place and at what time. And so what you can do is you just update your inventory count, because you know how many, let's say the top one that was sold, the last one that was sold with the M&M peanut king size. So if you know that you put 10 in there to start, and one was sold, I think it was just one of those. Yep, so that one was sold. So now when we get to the next screen, I'll show you how we update everything. And then instead of, you'll update your inventory count. So, you'll be able to update your count every day or every couple days if you want. I normally do like every 2 days, no more than every 3 days, because then you have a lot to input. But if you can kind of keep it to around 2 days, then you can kind of just update your inventory. Subtract that one M&M. Now you have 9. The Nature Valley peanut butter and dark chocolate chewy protein bar. Update that. Now you have 9 of them. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 Dr. Pepper sold. So if you had 20 Dr. Peppers in there, you just sold 4. Now you got 16. So now you're keeping up with everything. So, if another week goes by and you sell 10 of them, now okay, well, I had 20 in there. In the past 2 weeks, I sold 10 and 4. So, I sold 14. I had 20 in there. That means I got 6 left. So it's about time for me to go back out there with more Dr. Pepper and then stock that machine with Dr. Pepper again. So it really takes all of the guesswork out of it. It makes it really, really easy, really, really simple. It's really, really satisfying to check it every day and see that you're having sales, and just kind of just watch the money grow. All right, and then the last screen I'll show you guys and get you out of here. This is where you update all of your inventory. So you see where I put the red arrow right here. So I don't know if you guys can read that, but I put it at the Doritos column line. So it would be, and you can read it from top to bottom. 112 will be the row for the machine. Below that is what product it is, the Doritos Cool Ranch. And then below that is the price, and then below that is how many that we have left. So it's kind of tiny. You guys probably can't see it, but it says 3. So it's 3 left. So, you just kind of so now I know, okay, that inventory is getting kind of low. It's about time for me to go bring, more Doritos out there. So it just kind of saves you the hassle of lugging a bunch of stuff around, guessing as to, what type of products that you need to bring, what do you need to buy. It lets you know what products are selling really, really good and which products you haven't had any sales on. So you might want to think about replacing that product. It also showed you that, hey, this machine is performing well, but this other machine is not performing as well as the other one. So I need to think about moving this machine. That, as well as, you can even run tests where you put some products in one machine and put other products in another machine and see which product sells. And, that way you kind of refine what type of products that you even purchase. So, all these things go into, really building this vending machine business into something that is really lucrative, really profitable, and really easy. I mean, it's easy when when you're not, oh well, I don't know how many chips and sodas were sold out of the machine, so let's just take everything with us, as opposed to, all right, well, I look at my spreadsheet. 2 weeks ago I put 20 in there. As of today, 14 have sold. I have 6 left. I need to bring 14 more out there with me. So easy. It's so easy. It makes it so much easier, guys. So, like always, I'm going to get you guys out here. Thanks for joining me again. Thanks for joining Let Me Be Vending. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or if you have any requests, definitely put them down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure that we get to them, man. Other than that, you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again. Later.